Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and it's giving you an 8-2 error code on the digital display. And if you don't have the digital display, it will show it by a series of blinking lights. And what it will do is it will blink 8 times, pause for 2 seconds, blink 2 times. That's your 8-2 error. And then it'll pause 5 seconds and repeat that 8 blink, 2 blink, 8 blink, 2 blink cycle. And so what's happening is that if you're getting this 8-2, is the dishwasher is sensing a electrical problem with the drain pump. And so what we need to do to fix this is to access the drain pump and check, first of all, the wiring and see if there are any wires that are frayed or disconnected or damaged or corroded or anything like that. Before you do that, you're going to have to turn off the water and preferably unplug the machine as well. Before you do anything like that. If you don't find any of the wiring that's wrong, then it's probably just going to mean that your drain pump has fried and the electrical problem is within the pump itself, and you're just going to need to replace the drain pump. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.